is CBS 12 News at 6.
CBS 12 is tracking Ebola. The confinement is finally over for dozens of people who came into contact with Thomas Duncan, the first Ebola patient diagnosed here in the U.S. The 21-day monitoring period has passed, with none of them, including Duncan's fiancée, showing any signs of the disease. About 120 others will continue to be monitored in Texas, including people who came into contact with the two nurses who contracted Ebola while caring for Duncan. Nina Pham and Amber Vincent are now in stable condition in hospitals in both Maryland and Atlanta. And tonight, a CBS 12 investigation has uncovered hospitals across South Florida not completing Ebola preparedness and training. CBS 12's Michael Buchner joins us live in West Palm Beach with the small number of hospitals that have already done the training. Michael?
Yeah, John, good evening to you. The governor asked hospitals right here in South Florida and all across the state to go ahead and do some training and be prepared for Ebola. And we did some checking today, made some phone calls, and found out, according to the state, only 3 hospitals in our area have reported to the state that they've completed this training. Do you feel like our hospitals are prepared today to deal with this threat?
I don't think there's a uniform. I think they're working on it.
Information obtained by CBS 12 from the Florida Agency for Healthcare Administration shows only 3 hospitals across South Florida have fulfilled the request from the governor to undergo Ebola preparedness and training.
Well, we got work to do.
Betsy Marville is a registered nurse and represents 5,000 nurses for East Florida United Healthcare Workers Union. We shared the findings of our investigation with her. Are you hearing from any nurses on the front lines? I mean, are they concerned?
Sure, they're concerned, and some hospitals, they don't see anything. Other hospitals, they've seen barriers being put up to put a, to get a room ready. There's activity in some and not in others.
According to the numbers obtained from the state agency, only 55 acute care hospitals across the state reported the training. Locally, those hospitals include St. Mary's Medical Center, St. Lucie Medical Center, and Sebastian River Medical Center. Betsy has this message for hospital administration.
Listen to the nurses, listen to your workers, listen to your doctors, include them in the plan, get the latest information possible. Go back out live. Now, I can tell you, I reached out to several of these hospitals to see if they'd speak with us on camera and answer some of our questions. They all denied to go on the camera, but they did tell me over the phone that they are working on plans, if they don't already have plans, to deal with the possible threat of Ebola. For now, we're live in West Palm Beach. Michael Buchner, CBS 12 News.
Nice work, Michael. All right, thank you very much. And, of course, we have complete coverage of the Ebola virus in the U.S., both on air and online, from travel concerns to symptoms. Just head to our website, cbs12.com/Ebola.